It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
With utility rates constantly rising, wouldn't it be great to have a full picture of your electrical usage at home? Phil Edwards from Jamar Power Systems is here to introduce us to Wiser Energy, which can do just that for you. So thanks so much for being with me today.
Well, it's sure great to be here.
Let's talk all about this Wiser Energy device because you recently installed one in my home and I am ecstatic about it. It is so exciting. What does it do?
Well, Wiser Energy device, which we install into your electrical panel, amazingly allows you to identify the items that are in your house and tell you what they're doing, giving you push notifications through a smartphone app. You're able to save energy over time by having this device installed in your electrical box.
Yeah, telling me what the device is doing is really showing me exactly how much energy usage that one device is taking up, so I can make decisions about how to use my power and maybe change my lifestyle a little bit, turn off a few more lights than I normally do, and save some money on my electric bill because we all know that San Diego power is very expensive these days.
Yes, and this device is available not only to homeowners, but to people that live into a condominium or an apartment. See, most people that live in a condominium apartment aren't able to install, say, a solar system. This is another way that a person can take control of their power and be able to save energy over time.
That's great because all you need to install it, right, is access to the electrical panel, which you've installed it at my house recently, and it was just about a 5 to 10 minute installation. So really, to get started with this, someone just has to call Jamar, right?
Right, and you go to our website at jamarpower.com and we have a $77 service special. The installation is relatively simple. Later on, if you decide to move, you could take the device with you. It's a pretty cool new device that we're seeing great success with.
Yeah, it's a brand new technology, and it's great that you can take it with you. It's an inexpensive upgrade with that $77 service special that you can lump in your installation of the Wiser Energy and then download that Sense app, and it took me about 5 minutes to get up and running, and I'm so excited to see where my energy is as it continues to learn about my house. Call Jamar today to get your very own Wiser Energy device at 619-333-8662 or find all of that information on ApprovedHomePros.com/Jamar.